Invincible.
With my eye look, so for the blush, I'm gonna use this MAC mineralized blusher in what's this, Love Thing. I'm just gonna pop this up.
Okay, I like that.
I've already used my bronzer actually. Oh. my highlight, I'm gonna use my champagne pop from Becca. Like very lightly. I'm not gonna like really crazy with the highlight because my eyes is like really so intense right now. So okay, I'm gonna contour my nose as well. I'm gonna use my LA. Like that first. It's easier now. Nice and clean. Nice. And for my lips, I'm gonna use red or neutral. But I think I'm gonna use this ColourPop in what is this? Double tap, I guess. I think it's the Ultra Satin. Not wrong. It's cute. I'm gonna remove this. That's right. And I did not use any liner because I'm not a big fan of lip liners. So unless needed, like if I'm using like red lips, I'll have to use that. See, this is like a bit pale, so I'm gonna take my Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick in Fairy, and just place it in the middle, like I always do. Then I'm just gonna like tap that. I love doing these taps. Because even if I have like a very pale lipstick and it doesn't sit on my tan skin because I just look like a dead person, I'll make it work. Something like this. So don't throw it away or give it away because you can make things work actually. Okay, so this is the end of the look. So this is the end of the look I create for this bronzy look because I'm going for a wedding later on, but I will definitely do a vlog for today's wedding. But I just want to share this makeup look because I just feel like I want to do something with my eyes for today's wedding, because usually when I go for wedding I don't tend to do these crazy eyeshadows. Usually I will just do like a foundation powder eyelashes. Maybe I will use eyeliners, oils. No, just bare. So for today's look, it will be this bronzy look. I love this look. I've been wanting to do this makeup tutorial, as in eyeshadow tutorial for you guys, but I don't have any time to do. I don't have like any free time. If I do, I'll be running errands. You guys, you know, I've already gotten my house. Everything is renovated, just waiting for the time to move in. So for these few months, I'll be like busy running errands for my house, buying things for my house, furnitures and stuff like that. So I apologize for that. So nevertheless, stop blabbering. I'm in love with this look. It's just great for any occasions, events, or even for engagement, or you know, like solemnization. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, so it's just great. This look is just like but definitely not a everyday look. I just love it. Okay, so hope you guys love this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.